Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make image moving in CapCut. So I want to move my object or move my video, and let's add the movement to your image with this CapCut feature. So all you have to do is open your projects here and tap on the video and try to adjust or resize the objects that you want to make a move like this from the top to the bottom. So just tap this add keyframe and then move the minutes and then move the balls also. The keyframe automatically add, and then the last minute just move the balls. So let's try from the start. See, as you can see, the ball is moved from the bottom from the top into the bottom corner. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.